A Northern Virginia startup company is using new technology and a sense of humor to care for the elderly. The NewsHour's Teresa Carey went to Fairfax, Virginia to meet Rudy the robot.
Rudy have a sense of humor. Rudy can tell jokes, play games, and even dance the jitterbug. But for Robertson, the best feature is companionship.
You can talk to him all day, and he responds to you. It was good to have somebody to have a conversation with, let's put it that way.
People who live at a senior's home in Montreal got a special delivery this week. A humanoid robot named Grace. Grace is meant to keep seniors company.
Hello, my name is Grace.
Grace the humanoid robot made her grand entrance at the senior residence Pearl and Teo. Researchers hope the project will be successful, so it can be a model for other long-term care facilities in the future.